So this is the best way to block screenshots on WhatsApp. So let's say you're trying to send an image and you're afraid that someone's going to screenshot whatever you're trying to send. Now, you can easily just try to prevent that. There is actually no full way to prevent it, but there are some ways to try to at least avoid it in some way. So this is the best one, and I'm just gonna show you how. First, obviously, we're gonna have to take a picture so that we can test it, and here we are. Now, usually there is this button right next to the add a caption text, like at the far right. When you tap on that, you can either set it to view once, or keep in chat, or replay once. So there are three options. You're going to want to make sure that it's on view once. If it's only on view once, they're only allowed to view it once and they won't be able to open it back up. If they try, then they won't be able to because it's only on view once. This will help prevent them from screenshotting because if you have it on keep in chat or replay available, they're going to be able to open it and then take a screenshot. So it is better to keep it at view once so that you have a more secure way of sending pictures. But yeah, that's pretty much all you can do. It's probably the best thing you can do right now to prevent screenshots. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.